Need to change your store's address on DoorDash? It's now easier than ever. Log into the DoorDash merchant dashboard or app. Go to Account, then Store Details, and finally Location. Enter your new address, including street, city, state, zip code, and geolocation coordinates. The system uses AI-enhanced mapping to verify the address. Remember to update your delivery radius for pickup stores. You may need to provide proof of address legitimacy, like a utility bill, due to evolving data privacy laws. After submission, DoorDash will automatically notify drivers of route recalculations. It's recommended that you test the new location with a dry run order before going live. DoorDash prohibits frequent changes without approval, more than one change per 30 days. Proper updates are crucial for compliance and customer satisfaction. Sometimes, GPS inaccuracies or zoning laws can cause delays in location updates. Ensure all linked platforms are updated to avoid confusion. Ensure all linked platforms like Google My Business are updated to maintain consistency and prevent customer confusion. DoorDash is moving towards dynamic locations for temporary setups like pop-up stores, allowing for temporary address changes via app toggles. AI suggests location optimizations and eco-friendly trends are influencing updates, with features for electric vehicle accessible addresses gaining prominence. Experts predict full automation of address changes using blockchain for immutable verification by 2026-2027. Be sure to communicate any changes clearly to customers to minimize confusion and maintain a smooth delivery experience. According to DoorDash's 2025 merchant report, most merchants update their location at least once a year.